Hi everyone, welcome back to my Japanese carnivore diet. Today's topic is what happened to me when I don't eat vegetables or yogurt for 9 months. The conclusion first. I didn't get any constipation. How about that? So today's table of contents, just a quick review of difference between 100% strict carnivore diet and the Japanese carnivore diet, and no veggies at all, no yogurt at all, and no constipation. Little bit about me. My name is Grace. I'm from Osaka, Japan. I am a California licensed occupational therapist. My passion is your well being in this 100-year life. These are the two books that inspired me. And even though I am a rehab expert, the UCLA School of Public Health really woke me up that prevention is more important. Okay, you know this gentleman? He's a Hippocrates, known as father of medicine. And he said, let food be your medicine and medicine be your food. In Japan and also in English, we say you are what you eat. And this is what he said. However, this is happened to us. This is what we believe today. We believe it's drugs and the surgery that cure your disease. Nobody think it's your lifestyle. So as illustrated in this cartoon, nobody queue up for lifestyle change. And I am interested in lifestyle change. So my school, USC, well, I went to UCLA too, but my USC, our department says lifestyle redesign. That's so important for you to have happy, good life in this 100-year lifestyle. And a special thanks to those three gentlemen, Dr. Stephen Gundry. I am on his lectin-free diet since 2018, and these two gentlemen who guided me to carnivore diet. Now, the difference between traditional carnivore diet and the Japanese carnivore diet. The traditional carnivore diet, they usually eat all kinds of beef, meat, and butter. And this is something I couldn't really take it. They say when you are hungry, eat the bar of butter, sprinkle with the salt. I try it, but that's a little bit too much for me. And then also, if you already have some health concerns, like you are the real type 2 diabetes or high blood pressure, or you already have some surgery whatsoever. And if you need to lose over 100 pounds, if you are big, then traditional carnivore diet could be better for you. But if you are like me, you are a little bit chubby, or you call it curvy, and you have active lifestyle, but you have some minor concerns, like you do jogging every day, but you have knee pain, low back pain, here and there, or you have some sleep issues, and you need to lose just 5 pounds up to 20 pounds. If you lose one or two dress sizes, you are happy. Then you are in the right place. So once again, you are active, but you do have some joint pains occasionally, and you might feel you are getting some brain fog. So you want to get better focus, better memory, better concentration, and you are a little bit chubby side, that losing 5 pounds or 10 pounds, you are already happy. Then this is right place for you. So we don't need to count any calories. This is great for me. You, as a doctor, can Barry said you can eat as much as you want until you feel comfortably full. So it's been 9 months. I haven't eaten any vegetables. So I haven't eaten any salads. And also, I realized I haven't eaten any yogurt. I used to love yogurt, kefir, any kind of yogurt, Yoplait, bio something, whatever you buy in the supermarket. But I realized I haven't eaten any yogurt for the past 9 months. So what happened to me? I've been eating just meat, eggs, seafoods, butter, and cheese. We were told we have to have balanced meals. It's okay to skip carbohydrates, but we must have leafy greens, right? That's what we were told. And the fruits are good for you, rich in vitamins. And don't eat red meat. But I'm doing just the opposite of I've been told. Of course, no carbohydrates, but no vegetables whatsoever, and very, very minimum fruits. I don't eat fruits every day anymore. And I love red meat. I'm a red meat person. So I eat beef almost every day too. Okay? So what do you think? What happens to you if no veggies? I thought I would have constipation right away. And they say, oh, yeah, if you eat too much red meat, you might have a blood clot, high cholesterol, high blood pressure. As a result, you might have some skin issues. But what happened? Those weren't my concern. My biggest concern was inflammation. I love to do Zumba exercise every day. I love Zumba, so I love to do every day, but my knee hurts. My low back hurts. So that inflammation was my biggest concern, much more than constipation or anything. And also, not only knees, I had some joints in my hands, pain. In the middle of the night, you wake up, you try to pull the blanket or sheets, my hand hurt. But what happened is 9 months after I stopped eating carbohydrates, I don't eat vegetables, I don't eat any yogurt. Amazing results. Of course, results may vary, right? I'm making no medical claim, okay? So no constipation whatsoever. That was amazing. And then my GI is so happy. I have no upset stomach, no so-called acid reflux. My stomach is happy and my GI intestine is happy. So no constipation. Before the carnivore diet, even with the lectin-free diet, I have to have a cup of black coffee every morning. That black coffee somehow stimulates my GI tract and I was able to go to bathroom. But now, ever since I switched to carnivore diet, no veggie, no milk products, no yogurt, minimum fruits, no constipation. In the morning, I wake up, I go to bathroom, I'm fine. Excuse me. Now, the weight loss, it's so nice. I don't feel any hungry, no hunger, and no craving. That's why so easy to lose weight, 5 pounds, 20 pounds. And again, no more joint pain, no more inflammation in my body. So I can jog, I can run, I can jump around, and Zumba exercise. And also, my brain is as clear as ever, and my better focus, better memory, better concentration. I don't feel drowsy in the afternoon. But again, please listen to your body and Your body will tell you. And of course, you have to consult your family doctor, professionals, experts. All right? So we exchange positive energies, right? I sent you my love, my positive chi energy to you, and you give me back to. That's how we develop this channel. Again, this channel is for you. My passion is your well-being in this 100-year life. If you have any questions or comments, I really welcome you writing down, and I will address that in my future videos. Until then, that's all. Enjoy your beautiful day. Bye bye.